So for the fourth exercise, you'll need a balloon. You can get one at pretty much any homewares shop. So here's what you do. Blow it up once quite firmly and do that twice in a row. It sounds simple, but you'll notice how demanding it is. In this exercise, not only do your lungs work, but also, as I just found out, the muscles in your mouth and throat. It's precisely this strengthening that helps to keep your airways more stable thanks to the now stronger muscles, so they don't collapse nearly as easily during the night.